How to remove camera audio from Instagram Reels. In order to do that, click on this plus icon, click on this Reels, and then just choose the reel that you want. You can also just click on this camera and then record any video you want to turn as your reel. Once you have recorded that, click on this next right here. Now, if you want to remove the camera audio, you can head over and see that we have some things right here. You can click on this icon, and then from in there, you can add something. Like for example, let's add this song right here and click on done. But that's not the end yet. Click on this edit video. So we have now this. We have now the song and also the video. So what you can do is you can click on that. And then once you have clicked on it, as you can see, it's now been muted. So whenever you add a music on your actual reel, it will remove the camera audio and it will replace it with the new music that you have. So from in there, you can head over and click on this next right here and then post it to your Reels. So that's how you remove camera audio from Instagram Reels.